Taas no guys. I'm not sure how many floors this is na. Hindi ko pa na-research masyado. See here the view of the city guys. Parang 360 view na nga talaga dito guys. Oh, ang daming sasakyan dun no. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Lavender Station. And mag-check lang ako ng balance to. Kung how much pa yung ating EasyLink card. Okay? So the way you actually check your balance is as easy as putting your EasyLink card here. Okay? So as you can see, meron pa tayong $10. So kasyang-kasya pa yan guys. Okay? So now, we're entering the MRT station. And guys, so now we're inside the MRT station. And, saan tayo guys? Sa Tuwas Link daw tayo guys. Trains. Oh, okay. So let's check some platform tayo. Paris here, Tuwas Link. So, Tuwas Link tayo guys. So, medyo puno guys. Maya na siguro tayo. First time kong guys experience na nakakita na puno ang train. Siguro I guess, it's already rush hour, no? But that's okay. Tuwas Link, Bugis, ayan, hindi pa nakadaanan. Then City Hall. Then Raffles Place, ayan. So, ito yung guys. Let me just show you. And yung sasakyan natin. So, we entered from exit A since nasa side tayo ng hotel boss side. Then, Tuwas Link tayo. Then, ayan guys. 3 stops lang. Then, baba tayo from Raffles Place. Then, just a 3-minute walk from there. Then, Arden na. Okay? So, pila na muna tayo guys para makasakay tayo agad, no? Baka mamaya puno na naman kasi. Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa 1 Arden. Ayan, actually yung building is Capita Spring yata ang pangalan, no? So, Capita Spring. Ayan. And, as you can see, ito yung building guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Taas siya. Ayan. Taas no guys. I'm not sure how many floors this is, no? Hindi ko pa na-research masyado. Ayan, tapos yan yung dating company ni Mrs. guys. So, ayan, dating company ni Mrs. Siya ka nag-work before her new employer ngayon. So, pasok na tayo ngayon guys. So, I can show you, no? And kung ilang floors to. Okay, so let's move. I think this is more of a business district area, no? Daming offices guys. Ayan. So, once you get in the front, I think ito na agad yung reception. So, we can inquire about our reservation. Hello, good morning. I have a reservation at 1 Arden. Next counter. Thank you. Good morning. I have a reservation.
Ano the name mo?
Krister.
K o C? Hindi mo na.
51 floor. Thank you. Ayun guys, we're going up to the 51st floor. And this is limited guys. So first, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 51. Ayan yung mga And guys, as soon as you arrive at the 51st floor, bubungat agad sa inyo yung yung Arden. Ayan, nakalagay dito, welcome to Arden, the world's highest food forest. Ayan, food forest pala guys. Tama naman pala ako kanina, forest, pero more food forest. Ayan, nestled within Capital Spring, One Group established One Arden, a multi-concept lifestyle destination featuring farm-to-table concepts of Carla, Australian Japanese food fire grill and bar. Omi, modern Japanese couple dining, Sol and Luna, Latin European bistro, and the One Arden Food Forest. So I think that's those are the names or the restaurants available dito sa taas. Ayan, in partnership with Edible Garden City, the One Arden Food Forest spans across 5,000 square feet and 280 meters above ground with over 158 species of fruits, vegetable, herbs, microgreens, and edible flowers, where the garden supplies fresh ingredients to the restaurants at One Arden. Practicing organic farming with a closed-loop system, the garden enhances soil health and biodiversity. Recognized with the Australian Institute of Horticulture International Green Space Award, the Food Forest exemplifies sustainable urban agriculture while taking diners on a heightened, transportative, and transformative journey of discovery. Ayan guys, tapos ito yung map. So, as I mentioned earlier, ito yung mga restaurants available, yung Carla, Umi, Sol and Luna, no? Then, types of plants used in our farm-to-table concepts. So, ang mga kilala ko lang dito, no? May wasabi, may radish, curry leaves, lemongrass, fame flowers, di ko pa na-try yata. Yan guys, yung roselle. Yan. Okay. So, fun fact, on a daily basis, our chefs and bartenders pick and harvest fresh ingredients from the edible garden. Grabe guys, no? Ang galing nila, di ba? Meron silang nagawang ganito, na-utilize nila yung rooftop nila and made it as a food forest, guys. Imagine, no? Na-utilize and optimize nila yung space that they have. And, ayan guys, ang ganda ng view from here. You can see the bay, no? Ayan. Ganda nga guys, ang ganda rito. And presko rin yung hangin guys. Ayan. Amazing, amazing guys. Ganda. So lakad tayo dito. Ayan, we can also see here the view of the city guys. Parang 360 view na nga talaga dito guys. Oh, ang daming sasakyan dun, no? I don't know if you can see that. Oops, sorry. Doon sa area doon, daming sasakyan guys. Ayan. So parang port area yata doon, no? Or I think that's Sentosa Island yata. Imagine all of this that we're seeing right now. These are edible plants. Galing. Very healthy rin guys, no? Isipin nyo, you just go here, pick your food, no? Farm to table yung dating guys. Napaka-amazing guys, no? Napaka-amazing talaga. Nakakatuwa yung innovation dito sa Singapore when it comes to things like this. Everything we see here guys, these are ayan, rose myrtle. Ito pala yung rose myrtle guys, oh. For those na hindi ba nakakaalam, yan yung itsura ng rose myrtle. Ngayon ko lang ulit nakita yan. I mean, ngayon lang ako nakakita yan. Then we have here roselle. Then what we have here, ito kaya guys. You have yung mix of tarragon, no? Mixed flowers, Brazilian spinach. Yan guys. Then we have here on the other side, wild watercress. Meron sila ditong wild pepper guys, oh. Ang galing, no? Ang galing. Actually mukhang may second floor pa itong One Arden. Ayan, may mga thyme guys. Malasa yan, no? Sarap din yan, thyme. Masarap yan thyme for para sa akin ginagamit yan for pasta. Pag mga pasta, no? Maganda yan. Then, ano pa yun nandito? Ito, basil guys. Isa rin ito sa masarap ilagay sa pasta, no? Ayan. Ito bago sa akin to guys. Hindi ko alam to. Purslane. Ayan. Then you have here creeping wood sorrel. Ayan. Mga bago sa atin yan guys. Tapos ito, hibiscus cranberry. I'm not sure what is this, no? Pag sa akin kasi, pag sinabing cranberry, it's more of juice. Or yung parang, parang maliit na ubas yung itsura niyan. Yan. Tapos we have here, miracle berry. Wow. Ayun, sample guys ng miracle berry. Yan. I guess that is good for salad siguro, no? Okay yan. Ito, Brazilian spinach ulit guys. Everything here is edible. Ito na to. Ito, feeling ko oregano to guys. Yung leaves niya is very familiar, and yung smell nung oregano leaves niya napakabango guys. Fun fact guys, maganda siya for garden lalo na pag malamok, kasi ay ng lamok ng amoy ng oregano guys. Ayan, first lane ulit. Ayan. Lemon balm. Yan guys, lemon balm mo. Yung green sa baba. Then yung pula, cranberry hibiscus ulit. So probably pang rin yan, no? Pang salad. Yan. So here we also have another again a view of the city guys, no? Medyo delikado na sa side na to. So huwag masyadong aangat. Pero ayan, you have a view again of the city. Ayan. Yan, no, guys. So may mga chairs pala dito available guys, para kung sakaling you want to rest o napagod kayo, no? You may sit down muna and relax. Ayan. By the way guys, si Mrs. pala is pumasok today. And kaya tayo, tayo ngayon, naka-leave. So si Mrs. ang nasa work ngayon. So kasi last day na rin naman natin today. And we will be going back na. What's this? Ano kaya ito guys, no? Parang kakaiba yung tsura niya, no? Ganda nung bunga ng bulaklak. Ito muna tayo guys. Pamaya natin papuntahan yung area na yan. Para maikot natin ang buo. Maganda yung panahon ngayon guys. Unlike yesterday na maulan, no? Nakisama yung panahon today, which is we're very thankful and grateful for this day guys na maaraw. Dahil nagagawa natin itong mga ganito, nakakagala tayo. Kasi kung umuulanin, malamang wala tayo dito guys kasi mababasa tayo. Well, pwede pa rin naman, magpapayong na lang. But then syempre, it kills the momentum kasi hindi ka makakapag-vlog ng maayos. And from here pala guys, ayan, no, tanaw rin yung Marina Bay Sands. Ayan. Parang 360 view talaga guys, no? Ayan, no? Ganda, no? Ganda guys. It's a 360 view talaga. Siguro kung nasa pinakataas ka pa, no? Tapos meron kang 360 camera, no? Na may may long holder. Talagang pwede mo makuhanan yung buong Singapore, no? Galing, galing. Ayan. So I think almost may ikot na natin. Pero let's see. Nakakatuwa itong place na to guys. This is amazing. Ayan, ito guys. Parang may blue siya, oh. Blue flower. Wala lang label, no? I'm not sure if this is edible as well. But given the fact na food farm to, I would say edible din yan probably. So may observatory deck pa pala sa taas guys, no? So parang umakyat pala tayo ngayon guys, no? Kasi ayan, no? Kasi we went up, no? Ayan. Ito yung pinanggalingan natin kanina guys. Yan tayo galing sa baba kanina. Dito. Ayan. So hindi pa tayo lalabas, no guys. Tingnan natin kung makakakit tayo sa observatory deck. Or if, I'm not sure if ito na yun guys, no? Baka ito na yun. Baka lang ako, naliligaw lang ako. This might be it na. So try natin tong kabilang babaan. I'm not sure if meron pang daanan dito, no? Or if there's another view from here. Exit. So I think wala na guys, no? Ito na yun, that's it. Kasi ito rin yung tagusan nung nakita natin kanina, no? Hindi this sa exit. So ayun guys, that is the full view, no? Or full tour natin sa One Arden. We're lucky na hindi masyadong matao. Siguro ilan lang. And may mga ilang Pinoy din tayo nakita, no, kanina nung narinig ko na nagsasalita or nag-uusap-usap. So, ayun guys. And let me just take another look lang dito sa sa labas or from the top, from the city view, no. Just want to appreciate guys yung itsura nung view nila dito. Ayan. Ayan. I hope you guys enjoyed the view as well, no? As much as I appreciated the place. It is really marbling talaga na may ganitong klaseng what do you call this, food forest, no? On the top of a building, especially in the middle of a city, no? Busy area or business district, guys. It is truly amazing, fascinating, no? Lahat ng words na maganda, no? Wala akong kabig sabihin na kasi you know for us na city living, no, paragang especially for Singapore, na very limited ang land nila. They really need to guys, optimize the spaces that they have as much as possible. If they can actually utilize and optimize all of the available spaces for them, gagamitin nila to the most, no? Ayan. So, baba na ulit tayo guys from the 51st floor. And madali lang naman. So, ngayon, it's still 9 o'clock pa lang naman, no, guys. Maaga pa. And I'm thinking to go to another place siguro, or siguro mag-breakfast muna tayo. We see whichever, no, kung ano yung mas accessible and mas madali for us. Ayan. Hi guys. So, kakalabas lang natin ng Capita Spring. Unfortunately, yung floor doon na i-check out sana natin, which is yung 17 to 20 floor, under renovation daw. So, we were not given opportunity to visit those area. Actually, parang andun yung other offices and parang functional hall. I think there's also parang a part na you can parang circle around. So, parang 360 view din, pero it's more of inside na, so parang meron kang glass window na available just to view the entire city in a 360 view, no. Ayan guys. So unfortunately, hindi natin napakita yon dahil sarado daw. But now, we're going to visit the Fort Canning Forest or Fort Canning Park, guys. I think that place is kind of an Instagrammable place, no. So pupunta tayo ngayon. So from the Capita Spring, just a little walk, you can go to the Raffles Place MRT station and ride the NS line o yung red line, guys. Then from here, I think it's just 3 stops, no, 3 stations lang. Then you get to reach the Fort Canning Park na. Alright guys, so samahan nyo ako. And before we go pala guys, I just want to show you yung paligid dito sa inupuan ko, kasi parang na-amaze lang ako kasi parang may pagka-BGC type din yung ambience. Ayan guys. It feels like we're in the heart of the city, guys, no? Ayan, okay. So ito pala yung station, guys, no? Yung parang na yan. Ayan. Yung parang temple-like, na yan. Parang mosque type, structure. Entrance yan to the MRT. And same is to this one. Nasa harapan natin, guys. Ayan. Okay. So samahan niyo po ako, guys. Punta tayo sa Fort Canning Park. Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dhoby Ghat Station, yung papunta ng Fort Canning Park. So, medyo nagutom na ako guys. I cannot hindi ko na kaya. So, meron ako nadaanan dito parang I think Chinese food, no? Pero he also serve different kinds or varieties of meal. Pero ang in-order ko lang guys, siopaw. Ayoko na masyadong heavy meal. So, pakita ko guys, grabe yung laman ng siopaw. Ayan guys, sulit na sulit yung siopaw. Talagang hindi mas makapal yung yung bread. Diba? You get what you pay for, kumbaga. And this is only cost, $2.30 SGD. Ayun. And hindi na rin ako, I'm not sure kung may sauce guys, no? Pero hindi na ako kumuha. Malasa naman eh. Sobrang sulit guys kasi hindi siya tinipid sa sa laman. Grabe guys, no? Ang bilis ng oras. It's already 9:30. And I'm planning na makabalik sana before 12. I think kaya naman. Sige guys, punta muna tayo doon pagkatapos kumain. No? Punta na tayo na Fort Canning Park. See you in a bit. Hello guys. So kakatapos na natin kumain guys, no? And ngayon papunta na tayo dun sa Fort Canning Park. So kakagaling lang pala natin guys, or kaka-exit lang natin from Plaza Singapura. So ito yan. Later dyan din tayo siguro bababa, no? Pabalik sa ating hotel. Yan. Ngayon tatawid tayo going to the Fort Canning Park. I'm not sure kung may daan galing dun sa no? Kasi supposedly dun tayo lumabas sa sa kabila. Pero unfortunately hindi tayo dun lumabas, no? So I think ako yung nagkamali. Ayan, meron naman palang exit dito, no? Tapos ito for Plaza Singapura. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan, Plaza Singapura. Then ito yung sa papuntang MRT station. So ako yung nagkamali. Okay lang yun guys, part of the journey. Since hindi naman tayo first timer. FYI guys, no, napansin ko may mga restaurants or kainan pala na hindi tumatanggap na ng cash. Kasi kanina meron akong para natipuhang food. And nung nagbabayad na ako, they're not accepting cash. So yun lang, FYI lang guys. So they accept yung Nets card, easily. I'm not sure if easily tinatanggap, no? They also accept MasterCard and Visa card. Ayan guys. Ay, grabe init guys. And walang escalator. So laban to. Let's check guys kung nasan na tayo, no? Okay. So once we exit, okay, so nandito na tayo. Pagka-exit daw, nalakad tayo dito sa kaliwa. Kaya natin guys, no? Samahan nyo akong maligaw. Lang guys, napawisan na tayo. Lumalabas na yung cholesterol natin. The struggles of pawisin. Ayan. So, sabi dito, tama yata pala. Dito pala dapat tayo dumaan guys. Kasi from front of Plaza Singapura, kakanan tayo. Then tatawid pa ulit tayo. Okay? Ngayon natin guys. So pakita ko lang din yung view ko. So we're walking at Istana Park. Ayan. So park din itong nilalakaran natin guys. I think hopefully no? Nasa right track na tayo ngayon. And hindi na tayo maligaw. Istana Park. Ayan. Tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Yan natin guys na. Okay. Mukhang so far tama naman. So tatawid lang tayo guys. No? We'll be crossing papunta doon sa Canning Park. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Penang Lane guys. Okay. Penang Road. May mga offices pa dito, no guys. So tatawid tayo dito guys. Pero huwag na natin nabulin to. Kasi go na sila sa kabila. Ayan. Ito guys, yung Fort Canning Park. Mag-isa lang tayo guys, kaya hindi tayo makapag-picture, no? Pero ayan. Nakita na natin yung Fort Canning Park na iconic, what do you call this? Instagrammable shot, no? Ayan. Okay guys, so that's it I think for this journey natin for the last day, no? Mostly paalis na rin tayo, so we need to get back or to head back sa hotel para naman makapag-check out na tayo. Ayan, medyo mainit lang yung panahon guys. Kaya medyo may hingal factor din ako. But again guys, thanks for joining us on this trip. We really had a fun days ng mga nakarang araw, no? And we really enjoyed our stay here. It's been 5 days pero parang ang bilis since last day na natin today. Sana don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And this is it for now sa aming Singapore trip. Till next time guys. Catch you again on our next vlog. Bye-bye for now.